Hello, Durafly Auto G-2-V2 flyers. Well, since I've had the very first version of the Auto Gs, the second version, the G2, over 10 years ago, and with many modification videos on my channel, and now I have several videos on the new version G2-V2 that was recently released. So to see the comparison video of the first one and this one, then see the link in the description box. Well, the first version had no pre-spin-up motor. The second version and the third version both have ingenious flexible cable system to get the rotor going. Then you could shut it off while you were flying and then back on for landing if so desired. Here you see it working. So if you haven't flown yours yet, I've got some advice that may help you. Well, if not, just go jump in any full-size airplane and see how you do without lessons. Well, first of all, this actually has the ability to take off at a very short distance, including hand launches. But beware, if you're flying on grass fields, unless you have your stuff in one airtight Ziploc baggie, then go ahead and fly on the grass. The reason I say this is that the steering at high speed has a little bit of lag when you turn. And at slow speed, landings are even harder, so you got to keep the speed up. But on any grass, if the rotor blade tip just hits the tip, it's going to usually break the blade, so make sure to put in the nylon breakaway bolts as I showed in my last video. Now, if you're flying off harder ground and just nick the blades, that's usually safer than grass. So I'd still reinforce them as I show in my last Durafly video. It's also the hobby kink is always out of rotor blades, so the only way you can get a spare set is probably just buy another G2. So here it is to see how it is to be a drag to fly off grass. Okay, this is my backward camera, forward camera. So we'll take off backwards. This grass was mowed 2 days ago before we went out, but as you can see, I could not get enough airspeed to get it off, so I aborted. Just too much drag. And in this part, I'm showing you how to take off on a dirt road, but land on grass like this by keeping the rotor head level and the speed up.
Now I know where to take off, right there.
Whoa, that could be not cool. So that's it, everybody. I hope you're going to love this thing like I do, but you got to respect it by understanding exactly how it flies before you fly it. Also, I wanted to point out you might want to change those linkage clevises to balls, as they can easily break in a crash. So thanks for watching, fly easy, and stay tuned, as I also have an important update for this machine's blades. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, signing off till the next episode.